back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Jill's Comfort Zone. Here are all the seasonings you will need for this recipe. And shout out to the content creators with their own seasonings. As you can see, we have Simply Spicy Spice with her Cajun seasoning. A seal, which is Lisa. Okay. Purpose seasoning. Yummy. So this is what you need to make this delicious oven fried Cajun chicken. Yes, red hot sauce is in the building, and then we're going to build our seasonings as you saw in the beginning of this video, and then we're going to massage each and every piece of the chicken with this delicious consumption of seasoning. Yes, we bring the flavor, so I love, 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 love. So I love me some oven fried chicken. So while you are seasoning up your chicken legs, go ahead and preheat your oven to 365 degrees. And we're going to bake this chicken for about 40 minutes. And in between time, we are going to turn them, turn them, turn them. So pay attention to your chicken and don't forget to flip. Then we got some butter that we're going to melt onto the foil lined cookie sheet and get our all-purpose flour and cornstarch ready. Not cornstarch, sorry, baking powder. And go ahead and toss it in there and cover your chicken. Remember, your chicken should be completely dry before you start seasoning them. So make sure you dry your chicken legs. That is important for some crispy, delicious chicken. Okay? And now it is ready to go into our preheated 350 degree oven with that melted butter down there. And bam, there you have it. Some chicken legs looking delicious, looking good. And it was good. This Cajun oven fried chicken is so delicious to its core. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching my last videos as well.